You already know what time it is. Actually, I'm looking for the starter because I don't know where it's at. This engine's been what, 3 places taken apart. The guy I got it from had it all taken apart. Then it sat at my brother's all taken apart, and now it's been at my house taken apart. So 3 different places, basically in pieces. So ain't no telling what parts are at. But for the most part, I got everything pretty much together. As y'all can see here, the intake was completely taken apart. Got it all together. All the exhaust and the turbos were both. Look at the little tiny baby turbos, boy. Now you know. We finna max these motherfuckers out. Max them out to the moon, bro. Till they go.
He ain't gonna do that.
Nah, I don't know. Maybe once I get closer with the other turbos, I might.
He's too scared. He won't do it.
But like I was saying, we pretty much got the intake all together. We got the intercooler, piping, engine bay's done. I didn't post the brake line because the footage got messed up. But I did do all my brake lines that y'all can see here. All custom made by me and my buddy Ivan over here.
Damn, that's fucked
He
up.
helped me out a lot.
That's fucked up.
You didn't help me out, bro. Well, I would shout you out.
Yeah, he did. I was the one who did it with you, bitch ass.
True,
Nah,
true.
get your bitch ass out of
Bro,
here.
don't point that gun, bro.
Get your bitch ass out of here.
Bro.
Get your bitch ass out of here.
That's an airsoft, bro, before y'all monetize my bitch ass. Shut up, fool. But anyways, got my mounts in. I put my extra supports down on those mounts already. I got extra long ass bolts, but it's gonna work, so that's all I really care about. Brake lines are in. I have not bled my brakes. My reservoir is empty as fuck.
That shit's stuck, really, dude.
Yeah, I couldn't take it out. I've tried. My clutch, obviously, it's empty because I don't got no clutch on it yet. Basically, my exhaust is sitting down there. I got to do a custom exhaust because that one goes all the way manifold down there. Oh, it's blurry as shit. That down pipe right there goes off the twins all the way down. Damn. Straight flat at the bottom. Y'all can see this goes right off the elbow. So I gotta cut that and make a new one. So that's gonna be fun. Besides that, pretty much ready to put it in here. My brother wanna go look for the starter. Hopefully he can find it, or I'm gonna be one sad motherfucker. And this will be it for today's video. If I don't find the starter, to be honest with you, I'm really relying on that starter. Someone probably took it. I don't know who. This motherfucker right here probably took it.
Hell no, man.
He's good at taking shit, bro. He probably thought it was for the KA. He's like, oh, I need this shit, and took that bitch. But it didn't even fucking work, bro. He fucking dumb, bro.
Your brother took my goddamn starter.
This motherfucker can't get his 240 started. It's been 5 years. Nah, it's probably been more. The fuck? How long has it been, bro?
That's only about 5 years.
5 years, bro.
Hey, 240 Ronnie can't figure it out neither.
240 Ronnie. Nah, honestly, bro, we told you to get that plug so we can get the laptop hooked up to it.
Oh yeah, I need to call my phone.
Yeah, that's what I thought, bitch. But, anyways, I will get back to y'all here shortly. Hopefully Jose gets back with the starter. If not, this is gonna be all the video's gonna be about, cause that's all I can do until I find the starter. Deuce. Alright, so that's the engine bay. She's in there and it's pretty tight. Y'all can see back here. That's the firewall clearance. But I think it looks really nice now. And I'm happy with it. I think it's gonna look good with the purple and black engine bay. in with the purple valve covers. I think it's gonna look good. So I hope y'all stay tuned and see what I got coming up on this thing. I do have all the pulleys. I still got a powder coat. I've been wanting to, but I just been doing other things, so I haven't really, I want to say I haven't had the time. I've just been doing other things with the engine and all that. But regardless, I'm hella excited. So excited, man, like y'all don't even know. But it's in, and it's been a long time coming. It's very tight on the turbo side. Y'all can see, look at this. Brake line, oxygen sensors, but we're good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like these videos. If you want to see more, click the subscribe and click the little bell on the side. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, I'll catch y'all later.